Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 with the pattern protection. Let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass all kinds of the screen lock methods on the following smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's press power key, let's choose restart, and when you tap restart again, you have to start holding power key, volume up and Bixby key. So let me show you one more time. Let's hold down power, tap restart twice, let's hold down together these three keys, power key, Bixby and volume up. Keep holding those keys, release them as soon as Samsung Galaxy S9 logo pops up. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. And this is the Android recovery mode right here on the screen. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down again to select yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is wiping data, erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. As soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. And the Samsung Galaxy S9 is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the hard reset operation is done, the welcome panel pops up in front of you. You may also notice that there is no pattern, PIN, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.